Hello everyone, welcome back to Stoic Wisdom Today. Let's begin with a truth that often gets forgotten. Stoicism isn't just about self-mastery, it's about being useful to something greater than yourself. We admire Stoics for their discipline, clarity, and inner peace. But the real test of Stoic philosophy is not how still you can sit, it's how well you show up for others. Today's episode explores a powerful shift in mindset, from self-control to service, from mastering your life to contributing through it. Let's begin. Part 1. The Foundation. Why self-control exists in the first place. You train the mind not just for your own peace, but to bring peace to others. You master your emotions not to isolate, but to lead with calm. You build inner strength not to dominate, but to serve without being shaken. Seneca said, "Wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness." Marcus Aurelius, Emperor of Rome, reminded himself daily, "What is my nature? To cooperate, to do good, to serve." Stoicism isn't retreat from life, it's engagement with virtue as your compass. Part 2. The Trap. Stoicism as personal fortress. It's easy to misuse Stoic tools: silence, avoidance; detachment, numbness; discipline, control; reason, judgment. But real Stoicism does not lead you away from people. It makes you more available to them. I've trained my mind so I can meet your pain without absorbing it. I've built clarity so I can help you see when you're lost. I've tamed my ego so I can lift you without needing applause. This is not passivity, this is power directed outward. Part 3. Stoic Framework from Self to Service. 1. Reframe mastery as preparation. Why do you journal? Why breathe deeply? Why delay reaction? Not just for you. So when the world trembles, you remain steady for others. Every inner discipline becomes an outer gift if you're willing to share it. 2. Serve without ego. True service is quiet. You don't need credit. You don't fix to feel superior. You don't give to be seen. You show up because it's right. Because that's what a Stoic does. Epictetus said, "Don't explain your philosophy. Embody it." Service isn't a post, it's a posture. 3. See your strength as shelter. Your patience might be someone else's safe space. Your consistency might be someone's only anchor. Your listening might prevent someone's despair. You never know what your inner work allows you to hold for others. You're not just protecting your peace, you're offering it. 4. Let the moment be about them, not you. Even your wisdom must be humble. Sometimes the best insight is silence. The best truth is timing. The best help is listening. Serving isn't fixing. It's honoring the humanity in front of you without trying to outperform it. 5. Live your philosophy, publicly, quietly, consistently. People don't need your quotes. They need your presence. They need to see calm under pressure, grace under criticism, strength under service, not as performance, but as normal behavior. This is how Stoicism spreads, not in books, but in behavior. Part 4. Stoic quotes on service. Man is not born for himself alone, Marcus Aurelius. What you do makes a difference. You just have to decide what kind of difference you want to make, Seneca. Give not as repayment, but because it is in your nature to give. Epictetus. Part 5. What you gain when you choose contribution. Less ego. More empathy. A stronger sense of purpose. Deeper relationships. Fulfillment that lasts. A legacy built on invisible service. The Stoic who serves doesn't just feel centered. They become a center point for others to return to. Part 6. Daily practices for Stoic contribution. Begin the day with, who can I serve today? Offer one silent kindness, no credit, no post. Hold space for someone without giving advice. Give when it's inconvenient. Be calm when others can't. Respond when others only react. These acts don't make headlines, they make meaning. Conclusion. From self to service. You've trained, you've disciplined, you've journaled, you've built stillness. Now what? Now you serve, now you embody. Now you give back, not because you have to, but because you've grown strong enough to. The final test of Stoicism is not how still you can sit, but how well you can stand for others. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom Today. If this episode reminded you of the power of quiet contribution, comment, I choose service. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because what we build in ourselves is meant to be shared. Until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.